Hello and welcome. I'm Sarah with GotSafety here with today's lesson on grinders, portable grinder safety. Remember to sign off on your mobile device or on GotSafety.com to receive credit for this training. If you feel the need to pause this video at any time to have a discussion, we encourage you to do so. Grinders are very useful tools that also inherently have many hazards and risks when not used properly. These may include eye or face damage from flying particles or damaged grinder fragments, cuts or amputation from the grinder, mangled or amputated digits from getting caught in the grinder, electrocution from the power tool, burns from handling workpieces or the grinder wheel right after they have been used, fire hazards from flying sparks. This lesson will focus on what to look for when you're inspecting your grinder, preparation, personal protective equipment, and safe operation. Like any other piece of equipment, you should inspect your portable grinder every time you use it. It is easy to miss deficiencies when it is not constantly being looked over. To begin, first, check that the grinder wheel is still good. If grinders are too weak, old, or worn, they can fragment and burst while you are using them. Make sure the grinder is not past its expiration date. Put the grinder to the ring test. Hold the grinder up and tap it with the screwdriver. If the ring is clear, then the grinder should be okay to use. If the sound is dull, then you should not use the grinder wheel. Make sure the electric cords are not frayed or otherwise damaged. Make sure that the grinder wheel is the proper one to use for the tool. Grinder wheels have a maximum RPM that they can spin, so make sure your power tool does not exceed that maximum RPM. You can find out this information on the tool or in the operator's manual. Make sure the guards are in good condition, are attached well.
Hey everyone, if you just watched this video and are thinking, how do I get more of these videos? Click on this link or go to GotSafety.com and we'll show you how you can digitally sign and record employee training records, build custom forms, or even access your OSHA documentation. Go to GotSafety.com right now or call 1-800-734-3574 for more information.